Okay, so here we are again in South Goa, Canacona. This is another beautiful house. It's an old Goan Portuguese house, and the entryway is right over here. It's got a vehicle access, it's got a private parking area, this garage. Um, this is your entrance. Uh, this is the front patio, and this is the house. There's access from here also to the behind of the property. Um, it opens up to the river down here, the Talpon River. That's the Talpon River. Um, this is the main entrance to the property. There's a room over here of which the keys aren't there right now, but then it's presently used like a store area. This is the main hall, the entrance. Living room 1, living room 2. It has a false ceiling. It's technically a old Goan Portuguese tile roof, but they have put a false ceiling up here. Ceiling fans. This is the entire second living room. It's we need to rearrange the furniture, of course. And again, it has another private access over here to the second living room, which comes out again to the patio. Coming back again to the first living room, has a bedroom right here. There's a bed, again false ceiling. Cabinets right here. Also walking inside to this passageway, there is a small another bedroom over here. Right now we've been using it as a store. Nobody's been living in this property for approximately 3 to 4 months, and the family lives abroad. Most of the family is in Portugal. But yeah, this is kept as a store as of now for the furniture, which can be rearranged in specific areas of the house, wherever. This is the second bedroom, as in the third bedroom. False ceiling again. Stand fan here. And coming from here is another passageway. There's your refrigerator. Perfect working condition. Cabinets. Yeah. This is your bath. First bath. The geyser is placed outside. So yeah. There's a window here. And then walking in is the kitchen section. This is the kitchen. We still have to rearrange the entire kitchen though. We've got the stuff, but we have to get people and arrange it. Here is the full entire kitchen section. And they have a small store over here for the kitchen. They've got an outdoor kitchen also right over here, which again has another storage area right here, with another refrigerator, and that's the geyser over there. That's the refrigerator. And then we walk out to the backyard. So this is the backyard. There is a servant quarters which we still need to be actually cleaned. It's in a pretty messy state as of now. This is the servant quarters. We still need to work on this, which can be done. The entire servant quarters, I mean. And then you've got the property right over here. which is extending up to those far beyond those teak wood trees right there and there. This is your boundary line right over there where the trees are. There you can see the tin sheet over there. And yeah, so going back to the property, I need to close this door. Yeah, going back inside in the property is there's another patio in the backyard. Well, as you see, this is the kitchen. From the kitchen, it's got another access to a small area over here with a water tank. This is your sitting area, which again walks out straight down to the main entrance. And again, this is your backyard. It's a totally independent property. And walking out of the property right now, coming back to the main entrance, which is opening up again to the Talbot River right there. But this is your patio. That's your entrance. So this property is there for rent in South Goa, Canacona.